Hello everyone, welcome to FinBuff. Today is 8th of June and this video is the recording of the trades that I took today. So in this video we shall basically analyze which trades I took and the reason why I took those trades, my entry points and my exit points. So the intent is basically to analyze and understand how simplified price action strategy can be utilized to have a successful trading day. Hope you enjoy this video and please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. So it is around 9:20 in the morning and I've entered in two trades. I've entered Gale long at about 99.4 and Tata Motors long at about 115.3. So we shall keep observing these trades and see what happens, and we shall keep moving a stop loss in such a way that we do not make any loss on these trades. So let's wait and see what happens. Both Nifty and Bank Nifty did open up quite a big gap up today, but after opening up, it seems like they are now struggling to go up further. So there's a good chance that both Nifty and Bank Nifty will come down today. We shall keep moving our stop loss so that we at least don't make any loss in any of these trades of ours. And also at the same time, we shall keep an eye out on all the other stocks and see what happens. All right, so seems like Gale is doing fine and it seems to be going up. Tata Motors is struggling to go up. So we shall at least move the stop loss of Tata Motors in such a way that we don't make any loss once for any chance if Tata Motors does retrace back. So this way, by trailing the stop loss, we ensure that we at least earn profits from our trades and we don't make any loss. All right, so what I'll do is I'll keep observing these trades and I'll keep monitoring and see what happens. And I shall also keep an eye out for other scripts that I would potentially like to trade on. And I shall update you towards the end of the trading session as to what has happened with all my trades and why those trades were taken. All right, it is the end of the trading session, and we've made an overall profit about 19,000 rupees, which is roughly 1 to 3.8 risk to reward ratio. So it has been a decently good trading day. We had a loss in BPCL and a decent profit in crude oil and Gale. So what we can do is let's analyze each of these trades and we'll get an idea of what happened today. So as I was saying initially, both Bank Nifty and Nifty did open up with a good gap up, but after opening up, it did then start coming down. So there was a rejection from the top and the markets did move down. But in spite of the markets moving down, certain stocks which we had in our mind for long trades, they did quite well. So let's analyze the loss trade first. That's BPCL. So if we look at the daily chart, BPCL was at a breakout level at about 370. So when the markets opened up gap up, BPCL also opened up gap up and then did keep going up. I entered BPCL roughly around 388 and I had my stop loss around 386 and it unfortunately had quite a big swing down and it took my stop loss and we made a loss of about 2,800 rupees on BPCL. Now let's look at the trades which are profitable. Let's look at Gale. Similarly, Gale was also on a breakout level at about 98, and once it crossed 100, it actually gapped up and then it crossed 100. It was quite certain that Gale would do well today. I entered Gale initially at about 99.4, and then I was stopped out at about 101. Then I re-entered Gale once again at about 102, and then I got stopped out at about 103. So overall, I was able to capture about 2.5 rupees in Gale, and that is what gave us the 14,000 rupees profit in Gale, which was a pretty good trade. Let's look at crude oil. What happened with crude oil? Even though crude oil did very well, yeah, on Friday, when we look at the smaller time frame, crude oil was coming down and it formed this triangle pattern, which is a classical price action pattern for the downfall. So I entered crude oil at about 3010, and I was able to capture the downfall of crude oil from 3010 all the way down to about 2930, giving us a very good down run and capturing about 7,000 500 rupees in crude oil. So overall, we've made a 19,000 rupees profit, risk to reward ratio of 1 to 3.8. That's a pretty profitable day, and we've basically stuck to simple price action strategy, waited for the market to basically go in the direction that we want the trade to go, and then we entered the trades. So I hope you've basically gotten an idea of how simple price action strategies can be utilized to have a good profitable day. Please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I shall record my live sessions like this, and I shall post and analyze each and every trade of mine and basically see how simplified techniques can be utilized to have a good profitable day. Thank you very much, and please stay tuned for further live trading videos. Thank you.